Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Radiator replacement, 2001 Honda Civic, manual transmission. Remove the front bumper cover. That's how you can do it. It's not too bad of a job. We'll be pulling it off right now. Got some clips out and some screws. Be taking the clamp off, taking this bracket off, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. You're going to want to pull this back so we can snake this radiator through. We'll probably remove these 3 bolts for the hood latch to get it up. Oh, there's actually a crack right there too. And disconnect fans. Push down and release right there. Those are some things we'll be doing. I'm actually going to go underneath there and now open up the drain on the radiator and start coolant flowing out. There's the drain right here in this hole. Ugh. Here's one of the 2 cooling fan connectors to undo. So you have to push down to release it. That's the theory. Might actually take this hose off maybe here. It should be alright. See if we disconnect it, we can pull it out further. No, we'll just take it off here. We'll take this clamp off here. Disconnect your cooling fans, 10 millimeter bolts. So if you have AC, here's the AC condenser. We just pulled it out and forward to give us space to come forward with the radiator. To give us some freedom and get space to pull it out from the cooling fans. We just have to go down and remove the lower radiator hose. Alright, so we're underneath the vehicle. I'm going to take this down so I can get the lower radiator hose. It is up here. And it's just going to be one clip, and I'll show you how to take these off. Okay, maybe 2, but you can get in there with a little screwdriver and pop the centerpiece out. You can see there's a slot on both sides, so I'll take those out, and this is going to basically drop off to the side here a little ways, and then I can get to that hose clamp. So here's the lower hose. Get in here with a pair of pliers, and hopefully just going to pull it off. Boom, up like that. And we can pull this hose off. I need to get a screwdriver or something and pry it off on the edge here. See if we can grab it, twist it. Ugh, not a lot of room. But we're gonna pull that off, and then our radiator will be free. And see, we got to get the cooling fan up and out of the little holes. Just little holes for those fans to drop into. So we'll take that hose off and should be able to pull this radiator out. So if the new radiator doesn't come with them, and mine doesn't, we got these off the bottom. You can put them on a radiator or put them in the holes. Kind of a jumbled mess here, but very doable. I might actually take a bungee cord and hold these up a little bit just to make it a little bit easier for me. So kind of a tight fit, but definitely doable. See the spots where they sit in there, little rubber bushings. Alright, we'll get ready to install the new radiator. So this is a manual transmission car. This radiator actually has fittings for an automatic, but it shouldn't matter. It'll still fit in. It's just as long or short as the petcock, and we got it out with that, so it should be no problem. Otherwise, you can certainly take them off if you want. My bungee cord set up here, holding these up. I think it's helping. The radiator is in. I'll give you any tips along the way following this. I took that off too. So otherwise we'll reverse procedure to install, put everything back in its place, and we'll fill with some coolant, 50-50 mix of coolant. If you're reusing your clamps, make sure you get the clamps in the same position. You'll see indentations on the hose. You want to put the clamp back, otherwise it can leak. Seen that on more than one occasion. And then of course do not forget to plug in your cooling fan plug-ins. Should be probably 2 if you have air conditioning. So you're just kind of dealing with a friction fit setup here. It's got some tabs, got some slots.